Hey everyone, welcome back. Here in this video, we'll be solving parenthesis checker. This question, you can find this one on the Geeks for Geeks practice section, and we will be solving this one. So if you are new to the channel, just hit the like and subscribe button and do share this video as much as possible. So without a further delay, let's start. Here we will be using Java language, and if you want, you can change from this drop down menu. C++, Python, C Sharp, JavaScript, lot of options are there. You can choose whatever you want, but I will be using Java language for this question. So let's understand the question first. Basically the question is very easy, like we have to check the our braces are in pair or not. Here see the brackets, it is in pair. This bracket is also in pair, this bracket is also in pair. So if the braces are in pair, we have to return true, and if it is not, we will return false. Right, it is as simple as that. We just have to check that brackets are in its place, proper place. So let's see the example. Here in first example, see the first bracket, it is in pair. The second bracket, it is also in pair, and the last one, it is also in pair. So we return true here. Let's see, it is giving the explanation. And here this one, it is also in pair, so we'll return true. And here just look at this one is in pair, but this one is not in pair, this one, so we will return false. Basically we have to keep in mind that bracket are is in it should be in pair. So our approach should be, let's see what is given here. It is string, like this variable is in string data type, so we will and we are dealing with the special character brackets. Here in this question we are dealing with brackets, so these are like special characters, so we will convert it into character first. So let's see, understand the question first. If you have, suppose if you have a if you have 10 books, if you have 10 books, you want to keep that books in the you want to make a stack of that book. You want to make a pile of the books. So the first book you will keep on table become the last book in the stack, right? The first book you will like book 1. If you have 10 books, suppose if you have 5 books, book 1, book 2, book 3, book 4, and book 5. And what you do is, this is your table. Let's visualize things. Here on the table you put book 1. This is the first book that you keep on table, put on table. And then you will keep the book 2, then you will keep the book 3, similarly book 4, and then book 5. So your first book become the last book on the stack. In your stack, the first book become the last book. You can visualize things like this. So here this will work on in our code also. Let's see how we are going to do it. First we will make a stack here, stack of character. S is capital stack. We'll convert it into character. My keyboard is not working properly. Character, like a array list, we are making here a stack, right? It is similar to the array list if you know the syntax here. So now my stack is complete. Now we will convert it into a and we will convert it into character. So we will iterate first. We will iterate over the braces. So for iteration, we will run a for loop for, wait, for, this is my for loop for char, this one. We are converting it into character x dot, the x that is here, x dot. How to convert string into character? We will use to_char array, to_char array, right? Yeah, just like this we convert it into character. Now we will check if inside the for loop we will check if my first character, that is this one, and my second character, that is this brace, and my third character, that will be what? Small bracket. If this is, then we will stack push. Stack dot will use this function, stack push our character. First we are going to push it, right? Then the second condition will be else if my stack is empty. What if my stack does not contain any character or does not contain any braces? Well, then what will we do? So let's check this condition also. If stack is empty, then what we will do is we will return false directly, just like the condition that is mentioned in the question. Will return false if my stack is empty, will return false. Now else if another condition. Now what we are going to do is, if my opening braces is equal to my closing braces. Now we are going to check if my first character, that is this, wait, and the condition peak, we'll use this function, is equal to my closing one. So if my opening bracket is equal to closing bracket, then the condition satisfies, right? The question is saying the similar thing. My opening bracket should be equal to the closing bracket, pair should be there, right? Then the condition will be satisfied. This is the first condition. The first condition is for the middle bracket, right? So now just copy this and we will write this to the other braces also. Now change the braces to this and change it to this, right? Then the wait, we will write it here. Here we will changing the braces to small bracket, and here also, wait, I have to give this side and then this side, right? These are the condition of else if. So if this condition fulfill, then we will move to the another condition by using stack dot pop. So if this condition fulfill, then we will move to check the another condition, and now the else part, return false, right? And here will come out of the for loop, and at last we will return if my stack is empty, we will return this, right? We will return this if my stack is empty. See, when it come inside the for loop, it will first check this condition, then come to this condition, then this condition. And if it is outside the for loop, then it does not, it means that the for loop work is done. And if the condition fulfill, then the loop will end here only, right? If it is come out of the for loop, this means that my stack is empty, right? Now let's see, let's check the compile and let's click on this. I hope you understand till here. See, the compilation completed. Now let's check the, click on the submit button and see the code is submitting or not. How many test cases getting passed? Okay, so the test case is passed. So I hope you understand this video, and if you like it, I am gonna make another videos on Geeks for Geeks practice session or lead code also. So, and if there is some room for improvement, just ping me or mention me in the comment section. I will be very happy to make some changes according to you guys. So let's meet in another video. Happy learning. Bye bye.